You are not my daughter. So that was the first time I got disowned. So, I mean, this is why, again, like, that was just the first time I got disowned. There was...
That's crazy.
There was several times, and it's just like, at this point, like, in order for us to just be cordial and, you know, we just can't. Because at some point he's going to get angry about something, and then he's going to go off. But it's with him, he has this short switch, and then a year later, it's like it never happened. So when that happened, my sister...
I can't be like this. I can't act like something never happened.
Oh, he did. He actually, a year later, my sister was like, Dad's here, he really wants to talk to you, you know, and he's not upset or anything.
He's not upset with you.
And I was like,
Did he ever apologize to you?
Of course
So
not.
here's what happened. He gets on the phone with me, he goes, I just want you to know that I believe in equal rights for everybody.
How random.
At the government, I have gone down to the Capitol to testify that everybody should have equal rights, and I do not believe in discrimination against anybody.
Something wrong with him.
This is a little. This is what I mean. The mental illness runs in the family, but his is that type. Mine is more depression, anxiety. His is something else. I don't know. He just has a lot of PTSD, I think, from his life.
I just did all the new videos, the ones that we just shoot. Did you want me to do all of them? All of them?
Yeah. Hi everybody, thank you for tuning in to Magic Hair Company's live today. We are having a 20 to 50% off sale online and in store. Check out my sweater from Afro Unicorn. Ow! Ow!
You keep the rock.
Be careful over there.
Check out my shirt. It's from Afro Unicorn Official. Support my girl. I'll tag her below. This is a beautiful, I think 10-inch silky straight full lace. Definitely full lace wig cap here, custom colored purple, adding some wand curls. Check out our sale right now at Magic Hair Company. Everything's also on sale in store here in our Culver City store. We're open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Appointment preferred. Okay, I'm going to get back to wand curling this. What do you guys think of my hair? This is the wig I installed yesterday. You know, I might be going out the house this weekend, so I had to get back together. This is my blonde curly wig that I've been wearing for the last 2 years, and we colored it red. So definitely shop with us if you're looking for quality curly hair. We do custom coloring here in store. MagicHairCompany.com is the only place that you can find our wigs, ladies and gentlemen. And we do custom coloring here in store. We're just having some girl talk today as I curl this wig here with the wands. And we're drinking
Black Girl Magic.
Black Girl Magic.
We are magical.
We love wine. We love Black Girl Magic wine.
Try to hate on us.
Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Right.
We gonna make it work some kind of way.
Mm-hmm. Even if I have to take your house.
Exactly. You do what we gotta
They
do.
think I'm joking, but
No, I mean, I'm telling you, people, they need to figure it out.
right, like.
I'm sorry, this was not in writing, so you don't get to make
So
the
I
rules.
don't care.
Yeah, you don't get to make the rules up because
don't
it's
get-
not convenient for you.
The housing market in California is crazy right now. I don't know everywhere, but here in California is crazy. I'm trying to get a home right now, and I'm going to get a home.
You want to try some wigs, Lisa? You want to try some wigs? Do you want to try some wigs?
Yeah, I probably do. You know I do. I like that green one.
We have this wig coming up this week
Yeah, let's do that.
that we custom colored. It's kinky straight. See the color here?
Did you see the thing I tagged you in earlier?
I didn't read what it said. What was it? I saw somebody complaining about. I saw the picture, but I didn't read what it was.
It was up front. It's, I don't know, some stylist. Somebody brought her, you know, ones who do mean weaves, their Kimberly hair. Somebody brought her a frontal that looked like that. So she said, tag your best hairstylist in LA. Oh, hair person.
We got frontals in stock. We have frontals, closures, wigs, all in stock. Everything's 20 to 50% off right now. Shop with us if you want the best. I've been selling closures for 10 years now with the pre-bleach knots. So if you need a closure or frontal and you or your stylist, know how or want to pre-bleach those knots, shop with Magic Hair Company, where that's included standard on any of our lace products, whether it's our frontals, our closures, or our wigs. All of the knots come pre-bleached. We are your custom wig specialist.
Okay, I'm just gonna try to grab it real quick.
Apparently on my Friday live video last week, I fell like twice. Aisha was like, why did you almost fall in the video? I'm like, I don't even remember. Half the time I'm just on live, like just going. Did I? And I screamed. She's like, you almost fell. You screamed. I was like, I don't remember.
Yeah, you did. Not drinking money.
Was I drinking wine?
I think it was because of the cord.
I don't know, but you guys know I just get on live and I just want to show you guys what's going on here in store. Let you know we're a real legitimate black-owned business because we get calls all the time. Are you a real business? Yes, we are.
How do you make an appointment?
How do you make an appointment? You go to magichaircompany.com and the chat box will pop up and then you can make an appointment right there. Our appointments right now are Monday through Saturday during our business hours of 10:30 to 6 p.m. Monday through Saturday. So whether you are new to wearing wigs or you've been wearing wigs for many years, Magic Hair Company has the perfect wig for you. We have full lace and front lace, all glueless wigs in stock. You can glue down your wig if you like I did the one that's on my head now. It's glued down.
Shoot.
And what? Uh-oh.
Trying to tag you guys there.
And we do custom colors. So if there's a specific purple, red, green, blue that you want, we can accommodate that here at Magic Hair Company.
What texture do you have right now?
Lisa's hair?
No, yours.
My hair? This is our, is this curly or deep body wave? This is the deep, this is our curly hair. I cut some layers in it, and in the next video in like an hour, I'm going to add some mousse and get these curls nice and popping. Can I come work there? We're actually hiring a social media coordinator. So if you have skills in social media, send us a DM and we're interviewing next week. So if you want to work here and do some social media for us, because I don't have time to record, chop up, edit, all of, you're hiring an additional actually 2 people right now. So go ahead and email me your resume to magichaircompany@gmail.com. Also, since you're here on Instagram, just DM me and say, hey, I'm interested in your position. Social media is my thing. Okay, send me a message. Yeah, definitely send me a message because I'm looking for somebody to take over what I do because I have so many things to do around here. And we just started a TikTok, so go follow our TikTok. I'm gonna do a TikTok later. I think I want to do it to Trina. I'm the baddest, but you know.
Yeah, you should. I love that song.
Yep, I'm the baddest.
I love that song. I used to love it.
Okay, she says the same thing about me though. Like, and we keep telling her we're going to Miami wearing our thongs and twerking in the middle of the street, but you know.
You guys are like classy. Like,
Right, because we can't act like that all the time.
With a silver spoon in my mouth. Guess what, folks? I wasn't. My mom just happened to have a rich husband for a little bit, and that's the only reason I have some of what I got. That's the honest to God's truth.
it's like guys,
It's not because I was born. I was born in South Minneapolis to a single mom on welfare. Okay.
it's like I don't know. You guys are classy.
That is the
I'm this
absolute
close
truth.
from being in Miami twerking in the middle of the street. So if y'all see me out in Miami, don't take a picture, don't tag me.
Yeah,
I'll be like, nope. I'll be like, it wasn't me. I'll be like, what? I was at work. I'm in California. Nope.
No, that's the Magic Hair Company.
I'll be like, nope.
Acting crazy with no wig on.
I'll be like, nope. She didn't even have a wig on. Who was it? Was it me? Nope. What? She was twerking in the middle of the street. Nope.
Okay. Let's just be real. That's why I be like, people don't know my story. I just don't tell everybody.
Right, we can't act like that everywhere.
I don't know, but Trina, especially with you, Lisa.
Oh, Lisa. Wow, okay. Lisa's gonna be in the TikTok with me. Yeah, Lisa, we gotta do this TikTok. I'm gonna finish curling this and then we're gonna do our TikTok. Guys, go.
You gotta, it's you know, Brandon, you're the first person to try that one. You just gotta study and then I can release the bag.
Yeah, because my head is stupid. I do like Lisa.
That was cute.
Come on in, try some wigs with us, guys.
Yeah, loosen her up a little bit. But, yeah, I am. I was not born. Let's just say I've done well with what I was given.
As classy role models, I don't want to see twerking in Miami.
I don't want you to see it either.
I know.
I only want you to see it when I come back to work and I'm like, Tati, let me show you what I did.
You want to skip past to the twerking videos? No.
No, man. You guys, that's so cute. But, no, some of us just got a little lucky in some areas. That's all.
Look safe right now, though.
Really? What's going on there?
There's a million
Oh,
people
spring break.
literally twerking in the middle of the street with no mask on. No, thank you.
Well, then the girl got raped.
Right, raped and murdered. That's cute.
So super, super cute.
I'm gonna do purple curly hair next.
Ooh. Now that would be interesting. Shorter length now.
I like that wavy look with your shirt too. It's cute.
Okay, I see that the Wi-Fi is hating on me, so I'm going to get off of this live, guys. But we're having a sale right now on MagicHairCompany.com and here in store. Our current sale is 20 to 50% off. Make an appointment to shop with us here in store. And you can try on wigs, get a custom color consultation. There's no reason to walk around with cheap synthetic, matting up, knotted in your neck hair. Why waste your $100 when you can come in and get some quality hair that is going to last you? You want to go on vacation, get your hair wet, and then have your hair nice and have a fresh one wavy look for dinner? Shop with Magic Hair Company. This is a quality wig company. This wig that I have on right now, I've been wearing for 2 years. I've worn it jumping off waterfalls, and I'm ready for dinner. I let my hair air dry after I wash out the chemicals in it, and my hair is ready to go. If you're suffering from hair loss, have thin, balding, or hair, or you just want a new look, come shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We are your custom full lace and front lace wig specialists, and we do the best custom color here in store. Shop with us if you want the best. Our wigs are only available at MagicHairCompany.com, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.